like it like that. Yeah. Yeah.
What up, family? Back up in this joint. I pray you guys are doing well. Man, we got a my guy, my guy, my guy, big fan, Gervonta Davis. He got arrested earlier this year, 2025, and they have the body cam footage of it. So let's just check it out and see. You know, that's my homie. So just see what's going on with him. I pray that everybody involved is okay. So let's go ahead and get it. So you see the audio starts at about 0.29, so we got a few more moments. But if you guys here for the first time, please join the family, subscribe, like the videos, check out all the videos. Yeah, we do a lot of police commentary here, reaction channel. So, and I also keep the links of each original source in the description, so you guys can just check it out on your own if you want to without the commentary. So, but all in all, we'd like to have you guys join the family. So let's go.
I'm gonna just count your money in front of him for my camera too. Or you want to leave all your jewelry with him too?
You know that says detective that.
Yeah, that's the one I said.
Why they y'all been?
You didn't talk to him. I talked to him 2 days ago. That's the camera song.
So what the fuck?
He said they came. He said they came to the person. I just talked to him 2 days ago. He's like, we don't care. Listen, okay. We don't try to go to the state. We came first out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3.
That's him counting the money.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got 6,900 right there. 6,990. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. $6,911. If you want, you can take it in this bag right here. You want me to throw it back in there? Yeah.
Said 6,911.
6,911, correct.
And you like cash to the what's name now?
What's up, bro?
What I say right here or the cash out?
No, I'm gonna transfer you to TGK.
Yeah, you go to jail, the regular jail.
Yeah.
Obviously, you being a high profile person, they do different things.
Yeah.
But
We can bond. We can bond.
He's gonna see a judge tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
So like, what, 9 o'clock?
Ron just told me it's in the now, but can we do it before 9? Can we?
Well, no, because he has to see the judge first for a bond, if he even gets a bond.
Oh, you told me to get a bond.
Well, that's fine. But he probably is, but I'm not gonna tell you he is for sure, and then that 1% doesn't happen. I'm just giving you, you get me? So the judge is gonna want to
Tell you for sure, yeah.
I don't want to tell you 100% he's gonna get a bond, and then that 1% he doesn't get it. You know what I'm
Ron
saying?
told me the bond be $1,000.
I don't know. It's up to the judge. It's up to the judge to decide. Is that a chain?
yeah.
All right, chain, your phone, your snow glasses. Yeah, let me get all that too.
That ain't gonna work. I'm gonna take this off for you first, right?
No, just take this out. Take the cuffs out and not do it.
Yeah, just take the cuff off. Damn. Yeah, where's he gonna go? He probably get some much needed rest, at least for one night. Cause this is just July the 11th, so he's still in training camp.
Keep that from
I need to three of us. They wanna speak to you. They wanna speak to you.
For you, I throw that belt in there too.
Yes, sir.
You wanna steal those braces too? There you go, those braces. They're gonna take them off over there too.
Huh? Yeah.
One. And I had to. Right. Hey, Dave, in the back. Yeah. That's the steam, bro. Wait, tight? Put your hands back like that. You good there? Hold up. Once we get over there, they're gonna put it to the front. You gonna stay?
No.
Yeah? And then,
That's it. This is just one of them videos you just had to do. So hey, let's see some comments here. Charges were dropped. So this really, yeah, it didn't take long. He was already in training camp. He said, dude just can't keep his hands on women. I mean, it's I think it's his baby mom. See, he need to go ahead and just continue to let her go. They got to get not together anyway. Cop obviously ain't never counted that much money at once. Yeah, it's only $7 grand. Y'all are slow. The charges are dropped. LML. Yeah. So this is an old video. What it is that the footage just got dropped. So no, it is what it is when the footage come out. The footage don't come out. You know, the funny part is that the only time I seen police cam footage come out, the very next day, when it was Shador Sanders. How that shit happened, I don't know. Normally, it's a process. This kid's video is out the second day I'm like, hold on, this just happened yesterday, and it was out the next day. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. So celebs are on a whole different level. And of course, if you commit yourself to that type of lifestyle, it's really not your life no more until you retire. And also depends on what you did to get there. It'll never be your life. So no judgment here. I pray the best for all parties involved. I just thought that was, just check it out. You know what I'm saying? Be a little nosy. But anyway, guys, this is really it. You guys got the comments, and then you want to lend to the video, feel free. Feel free. Feel free. Thank you for rocking with your boy. As you see, this is fresh out, so it's not many comments at all here. Let's see the rack rarest. Yeah, y'all go check out his channel. That's who provided it. So until the next time I party, people, may God be with you. And I will see you folks next video. God bless you. Peace.
I like it like that. Yeah. Yeah. Dre Young. Shadow Gang. Instantly plotting to get it and flip it.